Israel have always
Yeah.
considered the Iranian regime to be the head of the snake. So a
Yeah.
lot of people are looking at this thinking this is a Mossad operation. So I
Exactly.
personally don't buy this whole thing about Israel because
Yeah.
Iran would have gone a long time ago because Israel have been banging that drum for years and years, about get rid of the Iranian regime. So if America was really Israel's bitch, then
It's
Iran
just
would have gone a
nonsense.
long time ago.
If Iran is freed, then you have one of the richest countries in the
Mhm,
world coming into the market, which
mhm,
takes away business from Saudi, it takes away business from UAE.
mhm,
Russia doesn't stand to benefit. Why? Because Iran has the second biggest gas field in the
mhm,
world. So if Iran comes into the market, then Russia loses its
mhm,
monopoly over gas. So
mm,
they cannot control their energy into Europe, and they cannot fund their war in Ukraine. China also loses. Why? Because China is buying oil from Iran right now for dead cheap. These people that come out and scream, "Oh, Israel is the Zionist, it's the AIPAC controlling Americans," it's nonsense. And you know what happened? It was the woke left and the woke right complaining on behalf of Venezuelans. Oh, you cannot do that. That's breaking
Oh,
international
I
law.
know. They'd
Oh,
rather see
yeah,
China be the next superpower.
exactly. And you
Insane,
had
insane.
Venezuelans celebrating in the streets when Maduro was gone. Now
But
we
it's
have
not just that, it's American power expansion. It's a
exactly.
good thing. If I was an American, I'd think, well, this is brilliant.
Yeah,
But they actually, it seems like to me that they would rather China
yeah.
become the next superpower. It's a mind
Yeah,
virus.
it is a mind virus. And now we have Iranians. I'm Iranian. I was born in Iran. Iranians saying, please, Israel and America, please strike the Ayatollahs. And then we have the woke right and the woke left coming and saying, no, don't do it because it's like an Israeli plot.